sorry for the lack of the content, but I'm a bit busy right now. So yeah, let's go to the questions. Okay, so the breadboard asked, are you currently reading anything, be it comics, books, or manga, and do you have any recent favorites? So I am reading Dracula from Bram Stoker. Stoker? Stoker. Bram was not a yandere, I'm pretty sure. The only problem is his style of writing makes me sleep. So yeah, does that. And favorites. Wouldn't say it's recent, but I was reading Ozashi. It's amazing. It's so freaking huge, the book, but it's really good. I have to finish it. Besides that, I also love Edgar Allan Poe and Agatha Christie, and I love Sherlock Holmes too, but I don't know, Agatha Christie is just um, she's more accurate in the way of um, investigation and things like that, and I really like this subject, so I really like to read her books because she takes a lot of things into consideration, right? And it's amazing. All right. Um. So Chopsticks asked, what got you to start? First, I think I started like hearing those audios, and it brings me comfort and makes me a bit happy. And I also remembered that both my mom and my younger sister like my voice and find it calming in some way. So after making some friends in the community, I thought like, why not, right? And yeah, I'm having fun with that. Uh, Free Real Estate asked, what is your favorite type of character to voice? Tsundere, tomboy, etc. I do not like tsundere very much. Like, I'm just so straightforward. In real life, I do not have the patience uh, to be someone like. It's not like I like you or anything. I just don't have this in me, right? I like to voice like really confident characters, and sarcasm is always really fun. Also, like more brave, and you know, I I like to hmm, to make characters that know their own worth and have a strong personality. I think that's amazing to do. Um, but Carriel, it's that pronounced. I forgot to ask her, but she is amazing. She is every day there in the server asking everyone how they're doing, and she's just so sweet. Um, So she asked, "What's your favorite song at the moment?" It depends a lot on like how I'm feeling, and I know that's a cliche, but I just hear everything. I love heavy metal. I love pop. I love more calming songs. I love electronic music. Um, I just love a lot of stuff in the sense of music. So my favorite song should be get categorized, right? So I have like maybe some favorites for each style I hear. So yeah, I don't really know. Kitsumi asked two questions, and she can ask two questions because she's amazing, and I will allow it because it's her. Uh, wow, my voice sounded weird there, but whatever. So, who or what is your inspiration for making audios? And I think my friends from the community and that fact I told about my mom and my sister finding my voice calming, and also the fact that um that those audios also make me feel like a bit happy and more energized maybe. So to think I may be able to make other people feel like it is amazing for me, really. And how many bloopers do you have when you try to record an audio? Not that many actually, because as I write my own audios, I also remember like lines easily. I remember what I had to say pretty well, and the other bloopers that could happen would be when I mispronounce something or something like this. And I sometimes try to put it in the audio because it makes the audio sound more natural, I think. I don't have that many bloopers. I just delete something when there's either a loud noise or I didn't get the feeling or the way to talk really really well. Like when I think I'm not getting emotional enough or getting too emotional or um, or when I just want to have another tone to the line, then I delete it and do it again. So not that many bloopers. The last time I did save the bloopers, I had like 3 of them for an audio for that had like what, I don't know, 10 minutes or less. Yeah. Um, a piece of tape. And he's cool. He was the first guy who was not from my friend group who like supported my channel. So thank you for that. Spaghetti or mac and cheese? And that's a highly technical question. So it's not something we have here. We have other things, but I never had mac and cheese, so I cannot tell. So yeah, if you guys have a nice recipe for mac and cheese, just send me. I'll try to do it someday, and then I can answer the question. João Mateus asked, do you have some dream, something to engage to make you happy? Not that much. I have some goals like being independent and financially stable, and being, a good sister and daughter, and yada yada yada. Maybe finding someone, but I don't know. That's not priority. I would like it. It's just not something that's the main thing in my life right now, at least. And about the rest of the question, that if I have something to engage to make me happy, it was referring to the dream, but I am pretty happy with what I have. I have some amazing family. I have incredible friends, and I just want to keep it. Yeah, that's it basically. And the MC asked about my zodiac sign. I am a Leo. Yeah, I think it is that. I was born in July 26th of the year 2000, 2000, and yeah, that's it. I guess. You guys, I just wanted to thank you all for the comments, for the likes, for sharing the content, for everything, all the support, and really, I appreciate y'all. And that's it. I'll see you next time, my Celestial. Bye.